So it's been a while since I put a video up. I had a lot of things happening in life. So everything that I kind of left off with in the last videos, I'm kind of picking up on these, with the bike thing and all. So I'm picking up with the Honda Shadow. I did a lot of work on it, that I didn't film because I kind of wasn't really planning on doing any more YouTube. I just kind of, So I said, you know what? Start putting videos up again. Charles, who started the channel with me, my brother, he passed away. So I feel like I need to finish what we started together, and I'm going to finish this bike. Even if I break every finger on my hands, I'm going to finish this bike. So, today I got plans to pull it apart, pull the frick side cover off again, pull the water pump out again because it's a bunch of bullshit. So I'm going to fix it the right way this time. No more leaks. I'm going to fix it. So, brother, this is for you. Broken clutch. But we're gonna find out. Ah, there we go. There you go. Doesn't matter, I got a new gasket for you anyway, so come on with it. Come on with it. There you go. I'm just gonna let you hang out. There we go. I didn't feel like getting oil all over my hands, so I put on my gloves. Oh damn, I just dropped something in the damn thing. Oh, you're just going to stay floating for a minute there. Get your ass up, pal. You bitch. There you go. So I need to kind of fish out what I lost into the oil abyss. Wait. Oh no, it's a gear. Oh, this project's ruined now. It's a gear. I have made a complete mess here. Swear to fucking shit. Alright, so if you ever want to know how to take a stator out, there you go. It's not the title of the video, but it's pretty straightforward on these old 1100s. This is for you, Charles. And I ain't sponsored by these fuckers neither. Like I was saying a little while ago, so I need to get the stator cover off. I got the frame split on that side already, and so I'm going to take the rest of the motor mounts out so I can kind of get the engine to where it's a little, maneuverable. I do need to take a couple other pieces loose. Oh fuck. Okay. Because it wouldn't be a project. But I can tell you now, this thing's coming to an end. Let's continue. All right, so I kind of, there we go, worked ahead myself here a little bit. So I went ahead and just took this piece out. It's actually not very hard to do. And I got the jack and I just slid the engine over just enough. You don't need to unbolt the, the drive shaft or none of that stuff, because, why make it harder on yourself? So really, if to do the cover for the water pump, which is right there, you don't need to quite go this extreme. You can actually kind of take the mounts loose and kind of move the engine up and down a bit and get the cover off. You know what? I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. So there's this bolt right here and the one directly across from it. Not the ones that are at the bottom and the top, but to the left and the right. Those hold the pump into the block. So if you're just trying to get the pump out, you just need to take those two bolts out. You don't need to take all four of them out. Okay. I'm going to have to open in this motherfucker, because I'm not trying to slide this bitch over anymore. Just enough to where I can get that ratchet shine on it. There she goes. Oh. Oh yeah. Alright, so let's go over a little recap here. As you can see, the engine, I got it quite a ways over. Like, not to the point of where I would have had to take the drive shaft out, because this is about as far as you can go with it. So I split the frame. I went ahead and just, the radiator, once you split this, everything kind of just hangs forward, and I didn't want to mess up the radiator or the fan. So there's like one bolt, and just take the hose, it pops right out. It's easy shit. But if you look, you can see let me grab some here. You see how big of a gap there is here. So you need some real decent space here to get the pump out, because this has got to be able to clear between the block and the frame, and this sets right behind that frame there. So you want to get that pump out, you're gonna have to slide that engine a bit. Now, I've heard people say, take the engine out. I mean, you can. I mean, it's an option, just saying. But as much, it looks like a lot of work, but it's not, because these are all the bolts, essentially, right here and right here. That is it. You got two bolts to hold this into the block, and you got two more bolts to keep the cover and the pump together. That's why I said earlier, okay, look at this. You'll take that bolt, that one, and this wiggle it a little bit, pops right out, because you got a seal right here that keeps it held in place, okay, and the bolts, okay. I like to hit shit with a screwdriver. All right, so really, I don't have a whole lot more to do. It looks like a lot. I just need to paint and hook up the brakes. We'll hook up the front brake line, bleed everything. I've already tuned the carburetor. We're good to go on that. So it's just small shit. But I had to get these leaks fixed with the oil and the coolant. Once that's good to go, should be done. I know it's been a long time since I did a video. It's been like a year. But I figured, hey, I'm gonna start trying to make some videos, and I want to finish this bike to honor Charles. And I don't know after I'm done with this motorcycle, if I'm going to even keep doing these videos, you know, I want to finish the bike on this channel and at least finish the story behind it. Maybe at the end of the journey with the Broken Clutch channel, I might even, you know, tell the story of why we even started the channel. You know, I mean, and I look like shit. I look like shit. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, Blue Moon. Okay. Yeah. But yeah, so I'm not going to do, obviously the video's getting ready to end, okay? Just calm down. Just calm down. You know, there's more to come. You know, we get the bike put back together. I'm going to take a stab at painting. I don't know how that's going to work out. There's a couple small little extras I got to put on the bike. And I like to get, like, you know, something where I can film me riding. And then we'll just decide what we're going to do from there. If we're going to keep doing Broken Clutch or what we're going to do. But thanks for watching. Broken Clutch.